how to turn off contacts on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn off contacts on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to turn off contacts on Snapchat, let me tell you what the issue is. Maybe you use the Snapchat app and the job of the Snapchat app is to simply manually give you more mutual suggestions, and they do this by simply syncing your contacts with the app. Sometimes it gets kind of annoying for you and then you just want to turn off that link between your contacts and your Snapchat app. It's actually quite simple to do this. Now all you have to do is go and first of all launch the settings application. Now keep in mind that I'm using an iPhone. If you were on Android, you had to go to app settings, select Snapchat and turn off the permission for contacts. For iOS users, once you open the settings app, you want to simply go to the option known as Snapchat. So let me go ahead and also search for Snapchat and tap on it. Once you go to Snapchat, you can see here all the permissions that Snapchat is able to use: the location, network, microphone, camera. If you want to turn off contacts, all you have to do is just turn off the toggle next to contacts, and Snapchat will stop giving you suggestions based on your contacts on your phone, because Snapchat cannot access your contacts anymore. So this way you'll be able to turn off contacts on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.